Let's pick the 3 winners of our Easy Bounce plugin giveaway.
TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut. A quick video today to announce the 3 lucky winners of our Easy Bounce giveaway plugin. Now, congratulations to the 3 winners, which I'm about to pick from this hat here, virtual hat. But if you aren't lucky enough to win one of these, please do consider going and grabbing the plugin anyway. It is a fantastic resource and also helps me by getting a little bit of an affiliate fee so I can pay my mortgage and eat food this week, which is lovely. So we're going to start the raffle and pick 3 random winners from the comments. So here we go. The first one is James Rafferty. Another great script by Memo World. I gave all the beat edit versions and used the Premiere Pro version on basically every project. Would love to add some balance to my future After Effects experiment projects. We'll check out the free version in the meantime. James Rafferty, very glad that the first one goes to you. I will tell everybody how to come and claim your codes at the end of this video. So James Rafferty is number 1. Very well done. Time to pick another winner. Here we go. I like the way it rolls through. It's very good. Daira Saraswat. Sorry, don't know how to pronounce that properly, but you're going to use this for the next video for VFX. Well done. Congratulations. You are winner number 2. And the final winner of the Easy Bounce plugin giveaway is Visagan S says, hey, love your videos. The main reason why this plugin would suffice me is that I can use this for my school projects to make myself more interactive and fun, or just to impress my friends that I love graphics. Well, those are 2 fantastic reasons. I'm glad you'll be able to use this in your school projects to add a bit of extra bounce to them. Congratulations to those 3 winners. To claim, you need to reach out to me via Instagram or Facebook direct messenger. And to confirm that it is your YouTube account, I will give you a word which you must edit your comment and put that word in it for you so you can prove that it is your YouTube account, just to stop randos reaching out and pretending to be you. And then once you've done that, I will give you your free code for a copy of Easy Bounce plugin. Congratulations to you 3. Well done so much on winning. Thank you for everybody that did participate in this competition. I'm hoping to hold more in the future. If you didn't win this time, I'm sorry, bad luck, but please do go check out the plugin anyway. Thank you very much, everyone. I'll see you next time for another episode of TipTut and hopefully another giveaway in the not too distant future.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.